Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you're a researcher or someone just stepping into academic writing, today's video is a must watch. We are going to talk about why writing a literature review is one of the most crucial steps in any research project. Whether you're working on a thesis, dissertation, or research paper, the literature review helps frame your entire study and sets the foundation of your research. And here are 15 reasons why writing a literature review is absolutely essential. So, it helps establish a strong foundation. So, think of literature review as the groundwork for your study. It helps you build a solid foundation by identifying the established theories and key findings that you can rely on as a starting point for your own work. It helps you identify gaps in knowledge. So, no one likes redundancy, right? A literature review helps pinpoint what's been done and, more importantly, what hasn't been explored. And spotting these gaps is crucial because it shows where your research can truly contribute. Sharpens your research focus. So sometimes we start with a broad idea, but we aren't really sure how to narrow it down. So, reviewing past studies clarifies which areas need further exploration, allowing you to fine tune your research questions. Literature review supports hypothesis development. So, a well conducted review not only helps you frame your research question but also strengthens your hypothesis. Grounding them in existing knowledge makes your study more credible. Guides methodological choices. So, what worked for others can work for you, or at least guide you in the right direction. So, by reviewing methodologies used in the past research, you gain insight into what methods are appropriate for your study and what you should avoid. Provides a comparative landscape. So, a literature review isn't just about what's been done, it's also about comparing and contrasting different studies. So, this comparative elements help situate your research within a broader academic context. Establishes credibility. So, when you thoroughly review the literature, it shows that you are well versed in your field, and this not only builds your credibility as a researcher but also strengthens the study's legitimacy. Informs theoretical frameworks. So, a literature review is where you gather your theories that will support your study. So, whether you are testing, challenging, or building on theories, a thorough review helps you frame your work within a solid theoretical context. Avoids duplication. So, nobody wants to reinvent the wheel. Reviewing the literature ensures that you're not repeating research that has already been conducted. So, saving your time and effort while making sure your studies offers something new. Highlights contradictions and conflicts. So, not all research is in agreement, and that's okay. I mean, literature reviews highlight where there are conflicts or inconsistencies in the field. So, and this is your chance to address these contradictions in your own work. Shows where your research fits. So, by identifying what's already out there, a literature review shows how your work fits into the larger academic conversation. So, are you filling a gap, challenging existing work, or adding something new? This is where you will find out. Enhances the significance of your findings. So, when you can situate your findings within the broader literature, it boosts the importance of your results. And comparing them to existing studies helps demonstrate why your work matters. Prevents plagiarism. So let's face it, unintentionally repeating someone else's ideas happens. And a thorough literature review helps you avoid accidental plagiarism by showing you what's already been said so you can build your own arguments. Sparks new ideas. So, when you dive into the literature, it's like opening a door to new possibilities, and reviewing different perspectives can inspire new angles or approaches to your research that you might not have considered otherwise. Increases publication success. So, finally, a well executed literature review makes your study more appealing to journals. It demonstrates that your research is grounded in a thorough understanding of the field, making it more likely to get accepted. So, a well executed literature review not only lays the groundwork for your study, but also strengthens your overall argument, improves your methodology, and enhances your contribution to the academic community. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss on any future content. Also, drop a comment below on how do you approach writing your literature review. I'd love to hear your tips and experiences. Thanks for watching till the end and see you next time.